Let's read the question. An experiment gives pairs of x and y, and the two are linked by a simple formula with two unknown constants, a and b, that we need to find. Here's what we're given: the equation linking x and y, and a table of 6 measured pairs. And here's the job. Fill in 1/y, plot it against x, draw the best straight line, then read off y at 4.5 and find a and b. So here's the picture. We have the equation and the data, and we need the reciprocal values, the value of y at 4.5 and the two constants. Before any numbers, the big idea. As it stands, y against x is a curve, not a straight line. Linear law is the trick of replotting the data so it lines up straight. Plot 1/y against x instead, and the points fall on a line. And the payoff: the gradient and intercept of that line hand us a and b. Step 1, Part A. Take each y value and flip it to get its reciprocal. Flipping each one gives 3.57, 3.13, 2.56, 2.04, 1.64, and 1. One warning: it's easy to miskey a reciprocal, so double-check each one. So the completed reciprocal row looks like this. Step 2, Part B. Set up the axes, x across and 1/y up the side, at the scale the question gives. Plot the 6 points, from 1, 3.57 across to 6, 1. Then draw the line of best fit. One straight line through the middle of the points, with about as many above it as below. Let's keep the graph beside us for Part C. Step 3, Part C1. Go up from x equals 4.5 to the line, then across to the axis. The reading is about 1.75. That reading is 1/y, so flip it back to get y. That's about 0.571. Part C1 done. Step 4. Now reshape the equation into straight line form. Start from the given equation. Take the reciprocal of both sides. Split the right side into 2 pieces, and it's now a straight line, a slope term plus a constant. This is the standard straight line form. Comparing the two forms shows how the gradient and intercept depend on a and b. Step 5. Read the gradient and intercept straight off the line. Where the line crosses the upright axis, the intercept is about 4.1. And the gradient, how steeply the line falls, is about minus 0.52. So the gradient is minus 0.52, and the intercept is 4.1. Gradient is just the rise divided by the run between 2 clear points. From the gradient we get a, about 1.92. From the intercept and we get b, about 7.88. Final answers. The reciprocal values are 3.57, 3.13, 2.56, 2.04, 1.64, and 1. We drew the best fit line. From it, y at 4.5 is about 0.571, and the constants are about 1.92 and b about 7.88.